Hi guys, this is Saurabh. Welcome to my new video. So today I will about my journey by boat. So few days ago, uh, I traveled journey by boat. So today I am going to share my experience journey by boat. So I went to here. This place name is Kaladuba, and it's called Kaladuba. And the place is very famous for journey by boat. That's why I went to journey by boat, and recently I was feel like I was feel like traveling journey by boat. We took to hire a boat, and we took to hire a boat with 140 taka, and actually you are can see that we are journeying by boat. I think that in that time it is high time to journey by boat. That's why I travel journey by boat, and in this way, and we are we travel journey by boat, as well as we enjoy food, and we are many kinds of things. And I will say, and if you want to journey by boat, you can you may be journey by boat. And finally I want to finish my video.